Good morning. Welcome to CupO'Forex. This is David Frank with your daily video analysis for Monday, the 17th of November. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend and everyone is well rested for an interesting week. Let's look at the calendar. As of today, it's not a lot happening in the markets as far as economic news. We did get one piece of news which just happened at 2 a.m. GMT time is the FDI, foreign direct investment out of China. We're waiting to see what that number was. It should hit any second now. Also, a little bit later on today, in about 9 hours and 54 minutes at 1400 GMT time, everyone's going to be listening to European Central Bank President Mario Draghi. What is he going to do to help support the markets any further, to help support the euro, which has been recovering a little bit? We'll talk about that in our technical analysis section, as well as what's he going to do to help support inflation. There is no inflation, there's almost deflation there. But what's he going to do to support economic growth as the European Union is mired in economic stagnation as well? Also coming out today out of the United States about the same time at 14:15 GMT time, capacity utilization and industrial production month to month will be coming out. We're expecting that number to come out a little bit lower than the 1% print that came out last month. I don't think that's going to be the case. I think we should exceed expectations, possibly print near closer to 1%. Also coming out today out of Australia this evening at 2300, we're going to be getting the CB leading indicator that contracted last month at negative 0.2%. We'll be looking at this number as well. There's not a lot of news, and markets will be trading based on what they figure is going to be happening in the future instead of on news. Let's take a look at some technical analysis for today. Okay, let's get started with everyone's favorite yellow metal, gold. Gold has been recovering in a very choppy and volatile fashion ever since we hit a key support near 1131.64. We bounced off and have been recovering. It's not a strong and smooth recovery. As you can see, it's been very choppy on our daily chart. Gold has been weak ever since hitting the 55-day moving average and the key technical resistance at 1255.10. Well below this number, I'm not convinced of a strong rally, and it's going to be choppy until maybe we hit 1205.05 around there, and then hopefully we can recover back towards the 55-day moving average, and eventually back to 1255.10. I want to take a look at the 4-hour chart to see where traders in Asia are trading for today. You can see that we are peaking out a little bit, and there's some doji starting to form on gold. That's a key hesitation. It could mean that we could see some volatility today as far as sideways trading. Not much in either direction. So be prepared to trade on dips and peaks for today. I also want to take a look at the euro dollar this morning. Euro dollar is interesting. We have recovered a little bit. We seem to have formed a short-term bottom near 1.2356, which is nice. We continue falling below there. We could have eventually gone down to 1.1705, and that's not a good sign. We are trading back above 1.25, but we are still below 1.2850, which I would like to see us crack above for any meaningful recovery. Also, today I want to take a look at the pound dollar. We are still trading well below the key technical level 1.60. We seem to have lost a little bit of downside momentum, and we'll be monitoring this a little bit carefully. We are trading just above 1.5585 at this time. I don't think we'll. I think this level near here should hold, and we should see a little bit of a recovery higher for today. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart to see what traders are doing as of right now. And again, we can see some hesitation with traders right now as they are trading Actually, no. Actually, traders are starting to buy a little bit. Excuse me. Uh, on the 4-hour chart, as I said, we seem to have lost momentum down near 1.5580 in this area here, and we have recovered a little bit. Let's watch this today. Keep in mind that we are definitely looking at a short-term bearish momentum, and we're trading below 1.60 and well below the 55-day moving average. All right, that takes care of today's video analysis. Check back with us again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day trading.